Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Oz the Succulent, who is a cute little squishmallow. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, any of that good stuff. Alright, so I'm going to get started by drawing a line across this way, and then I'm going to do a little line down, a little line down there, and then come along this way again. Like that. Now, let's draw a line going down and a line going down this way. And then we can kind of curve there on the bottom and then come across. Like that. Next, let's draw our plant parts here. So I'm going to do one right there, another one coming up this way, one here on the side, and another one up here. Right there, and another one right here, and another one on this side. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the eyes. So I'm going to do a circle right here and then one right here. I'll try to make them about the same size, but it's okay if they're not quite perfect. And then a cute little smile like that. All right, so now we are done the sketch, and I'm gonna go in with some coloring. But after I'm done my coloring, I'm going to use my white gel pen and just put some little lines throughout the plant part here. All right. All right, everyone, we're finished our picture of Oz. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have the best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, have a great day. Goodbye.